How to fix screen flickering on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar from the top and adjust your brightness. Sometimes not adjusting your brightness may cause this problem. If it still does not fix your problem, simply open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to Display. In Display, if adaptive brightness is turned on, simply click on it and turn it off. After you have done that, you can go back in the main section, click on the search at the top right corner of your screen and search Developer option. Click on Developer options in here. In here, make sure Developer options is turned on. Then scroll down and search for Disable HW Overlays and turn that on. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix screen flickering on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.